how to get people stuck in a well on Assassin's Creed 3. As you can see, there's a guy down there. And as you can see, he's alive because he's down there and he had no pressing the assassination button. Now just a guy. Okay, so get a group of bad guys. Like this. Kill them down until there's one enemy left. Or two. And then bring them over by a well. And we kill them off one by one until there's only one left. And then what you want to do is counter him and then throw him towards the well. As shown here. Like that. And he won't die. He'll still be in there, as you can see. But just making the assassination, and you can see him down there. With the icon above his head. So, give it a try. Hope you like. Like, subscribe, comment, anything you want to do.